Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparambil. Let's do an example on finding the mean from a frequency distribution. So this represents the frequency distribution of ages. This is the number of fatalities in each classes of age. So first I'm going to send the data to Excel. So click on this. So now all the data are downloaded into Excel. So I'm going to place the cursor here and right click and insert a column. So I'm going to enter the lower limit of the classes here. So it will be 11, 21, 41, 51, 61 and 71. I'll tell you why I entered 71 even though there is no class um, below this, because I need to find the midpoint. So next column is for midpoints. So in order to find the midpoint, I will add these two numbers and divide by 2. Then add the next two numbers and divide by 2. So for the last one, I need to add the lower limit of the next class and divide by 2. Then only I'll get the midpoint. That's the reason I added the lower limit for the next class. So I can place the cursor here, enter equal. Then we are going to add these numbers, right? So 11 plus 21. Oh, I'm going to enter a formula rather than entering 11 plus 21 divided by 2. So 11 plus 21 whole divided by 2. So I need a parenthesis around this. So that means I'm adding these two, then only I'm dividing by 2. Okay. Without the parenthesis, it will be like 11 plus 21 divided by 2. That is wrong. We are adding 11 and 21, then only we are dividing by 2. So we need the parenthesis around that. Then press enter. So that is 16. Now I don't want to enter each number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the cursor here, then Control C. That means it will copy the formula, then highlight these columns and press Control V. So midpoint of all the classes are there. Now I'm going to multiply the midpoint and the frequency. So this column, I'm going to enter this as a formula. So 16 times, then 368, then press enter. Now I'm going to copy the formula. So place the cursor there, then Control C, then highlight this and Control V. So now I have the frequency times the midpoint. So this column is frequency times the midpoint, or midpoint times frequency. Let me write midpoint times frequency. Now I'm going to, so this column is actually number of fatalities, that is actually the frequency. Okay, so I'm going to change that column to frequency so that it will be easier. So now find the sum of the frequency, that means total frequency. So I highlighted that, then cursor on formula, then auto sum. Then I'm going to find the sum of these. So again do the same procedure, sum. Now if I want to find the mean, so mean will be the midpoint times frequency, the sum of midpoints times frequency divided by the total frequency. Now round this value into one decimal place, so it will be 34.9 if you round it to one decimal place. So this is the mean. If you don't want to use the Excel, you can compute using the calculator. Calculate the midpoint first, then multiply the midpoint and the frequency. So add these numbers and divide by 2. Add these numbers, divide by 2. So you will get the midpoint of each one. Then step 2 is multiply the midpoint and frequency. Then find the total and find the total of this. And divide those numbers. You will get 34.9 if you round it to one decimal place. So the mean is approximately 34.9.